You lot, I don't know how to feel. This hair got me feeling all types. So, I know you see me seeing you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking like this. Oh my god. Yeah, it's the slayy jumper. And the kink of the We need to get to the video.
Show me your loving. Auntie, show me your loving. My gorillas, them chillin' on the highway, so you know it's a robbery. Oh, you are by my side, I can promise to change my ways. Oh, if I get a drop on a nigga, will you help me find my way? Oh, Shorty roll with a Stalliana, in the Saudi like a summer. Paros on my vision be paranormal. I be chillin' in the bus like I'm Obama. Hey, call me the Stalliana. Roll with a gang, the Battaliana. Niggas small talk, yeah, that's funny, do it big time, grande, Ariana.
Recording at the moment, you know.
They tryna fuck with me. I got niggas who shooting life expectancies. When I'm talking money, man, I'm talking currencies. And I got niggas who pushing paper overseas. Yen, pounds, and dollars, and rupees. But I had your mama, your auntie, I know your groupies. Yeah. Girl, yeah, we come into play. Yeah.
It's Lisa Mopsy. It's lit with it. It's ooh.
Take time on me, don't run away. Cause baby, we got unfinished business, she said.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa Mopsy here. Wait, do Mopsy gang, Mopsy Mafia. You know how we do, stay slick with it. And I'm back again with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you click this video, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. Let me give you time to subscribe, because I know you're actually gonna come back for another video. I promise you. 2019, I promise. Pinky promise. Okay, there we go. Pinky promise. Now you're gonna have to subscribe, and I'm gonna have to give you bomb ass content. This is a video on how to get your hair from like matted, knotted, really curly hair to this kinky beautifulness. Disclaimer. YouTube is also doing this thing where they don't give you guys notifications for when I post. I don't know, they don't want me to secure the bag, I guess. There's enough bag for everyone to secure. Make sure you click the notification bell to make sure you're notified every single time I post. And yeah, all the hair information will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to follow all my socials at Lisa Mopsy. Make sure you have my Snapchat and Instagram to see behind the scenes, everyday life of what I get up to. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I literally brushed it out and I don't know what it's doing. But what the heck is going on? Like, please, like, look, I'm not sure if you can see this, but like, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this.
Here's my little peanut head. Anyway guys, you're gonna start off by putting on the wig. This wig did in fact have 3 clips inside, an adjustable strap built like within sewn within the wig, and then another strap like added onto it, which is great. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this hair back. This video is mainly focused on the actual curly hair side of it, not the actual laying down of the layers. But I'm gonna give you guys a tip on how to melt it. Start off with your got to be glue gel, and you want to apply very thin layers, but like maybe 2. So this part was like sped up so fast. This part actually was like 5 minutes, so I'm going really slow, but I just sped it up for the sake of this video. But yeah, just do 2 like very thin layers. Take your time, be precise where you want the glue to go, because that's where the wig's gonna go. And yeah, then what I do is I don't spray the got to be glued spray. I spray it on my finger and then I let it drip and then like rub it into the wet got to be glued gel. Does that make sense? I don't know why, but this just gives me a flawless finish every single time. And this is great for beginners if you're scared to use Ghost Bond, or if you're scared to like just spray the glue like straight on. Not glue, spray the spray. Okay, cool. So yeah, and then once I've done this, applied a little layer, I leave it to get tacky. So you just see me waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, once I've checked it's tacky, I'll go ahead and apply the frontal. This was pre-plucked. I went in and plucked it a tiny bit, but I didn't have to do much to it, so it was pre-plucked. I didn't need to bleach it. This was pre-bleached transparent lace, I think. So yeah, and what I do is I get the little side bend bits and I just hold it down my chin just to make sure the wig is secure before applying my little headband thing that I got going on. Yep, and then I put that on. And once that's on, take out this matted forest. Oh, let's start tackling this, yeah. So I just start off by brushing it. So people, what I want to do is put a dressing gown on. You can use a towel or whatever. It's just because I'm going to be spraying my hair and putting products on it and I don't want it to get all over my clothes. I then go in with a spray bottle full of water. I like using warm water. I don't know why, but you know, it is what it is. Then this bit, I'm not going to like speed up too much because the whole process took forever, but I'm trying to show you guys and explain what I'm doing to maybe like one section of my hair, then I'll speed through like the other parts. So I go in with mousse after brushing out and putting the water on, and then just a little bit, and I, you know, make sure this is evenly distributed throughout the hair, you know, focusing on the ends as well a little bit. I wasn't focusing on the ends at first, but yeah, because this hair is really dense, like the ends need a lot of attention. So yeah, I go ahead and do my thing, girl. Go ahead, brush that out. Then I go with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. This just helps soften the hair. Like, I feel like when you use leave-in conditioner, yeah, it doesn't make it too like crusty. You know how your hair can get that crusty thing, that feeling. We ain't trying to have that. Well, not too much of it anyway. Then I go ahead and I do that to all parts of my hair. As you can see, sectioned it, put the water, then gonna brush it out. And then, you know, go with my mousse, then, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I do this, because I feel like when you watch you can pick up the technique a little bit better. But yeah, if you need me to explain it again, just rewind a little bit and just, you know, look at the slowed down version of everything that was going on. And here's what the hair looks like. So yeah, the little strand. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do this.
If I get a drop on a nigga, will you help me find my way? Oh, you are by my side, I can promise to change my way. If I get a drop on a nigga, will you help me find my way?
Okay, so here I'm just using, I think this is a rat tail comb, well, that's what I call it, to section off my hair. I just want a little side part going on, nothing too deep. I don't see why I did that, because it's not a deep side, but it's a little bit, okay, anyway. Then I use my Dr. Miracle's Edge Control. This stuff works a charm, like, and I just use this to do my baby hairs. Because it was plucked, the baby hairs look really nice and just scrumptious, delicious, delicioso. Oh, they be looking good, you know. And then yeah, this is just, you lot know the process of me doing my baby hairs. I do this all the time, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing what I do, keep doing what I do, baby.
Since it's 2019, I'm sort of going off baby hairs with straight hair though, because curly hair, I feel like you sort of have to have the baby hair look, you feel me? But yeah, let me keep trying to pattern this. So I'm gonna keep going in with the, I'm gonna take out this much, can you see? Only a tiny bit, but this was pre-plucked, but I went in again and plucked it myself because you know how it gets. So we just gonna swoop that thing like that. So when you're doing this, you need to think about this hair up here as well, because everything's got to swoop. And I like doing it like this so it has that little bit of I don't know what I'm talking about, but you guys can see what I'm doing, right? And then down here, I don't do the baby hairs too much because this is the area where sometimes your lace starts balding fast, like near the ear tabs, and it's really horrible to have like okay, I'm not gonna put it on the actual hair that's coming from my, well, I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna put it on the root of the hair so it sits there, but then on the actual sideburn hair, like, we're gonna cut off the gel application from like here. You see what I did there? Okay, cool. And yeah, and once you've done that, you just go in with loose. So guys, I'm gonna do this side, which is not much, just this little bit here, off camera, and I'll be back once it's done.
Guys, you know how to do the last finishing touches to my hair. By the way, this song is by Ordeal. I'm gonna let it play out in the end of the video so you guys can get a real good feel of the song, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Keep watching now, there's more content, there's more of the video. Hey, I ain't done yet. I ain't finished yet.
Fugazi, designer all on my drip and I ain't basic. It's getting wicked in the city, bring the fire. My niggas still gon' pull me up, yeah.
Do you lot see me? I don't think you lot see me now. Oh, I'm just feeling hella cute and ting and ting and ting and ting. So guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope I taught you 1-2 things on how to like get that, you know, those big voluminous. You don't know what I'm trying to say. This is what the hair looks like. This, I think this must be kinky curly type of texture because it's doing a lot of kink, but I like the kinkiness. I really do like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You guys know I'm on, I think I'm on, is it 54k? Let's get me to 60k because I'm on a road to 100k, guys. I'm gonna be uploading as much as I can a week for you guys. The more you guys subscribe, comment, like and share, the more content you get. Make sure you let me know in the comments what type of content you guys want to see. Do you want to see more curly stuff, more hacks, DIY, how to do stuff, more talking videos, more makeup videos, hauls? Because you know, you lot, my body been getting right recently. Let me just stand up real quick. Like, this has got nothing to do with the hair, but can we just get into my body? Like, hey, wait. Let me just can we just get a little, you see me, you see this, you see, can we just get into my body? You wanna see fitness videos? Do you want fitness video? Okay, I'm sorry. Let me just, as I was saying, guys, make sure you let me know what type of content you're trying to see, this, that and the third. And yes, I love you so much, Mapsy gang, Mapsy mafia, everyone. Make sure you stay fabulous, make sure you stay fleeked up, slip with it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh, you are by my side, I can promise to change my way. If I get a drop on a nigga, will you help me find my way?